visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you find the video, the message is also meant to find you. Let's check kung ano po ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Three of Wands and the Ten of Wands. So the actions, the communications, the flow, no? The right flow, the right amount of flow. Hindi mabilis, hindi mabagal, parang may blockage. Even the communication, like what I mentioned, probably someone here is waiting for the right time, waiting for a sign, but things aren't happening as of the moment because someone is not ready to have a conversation yet, or someone is not ready at all, or someone already placed a period, no, dito sa relationship. Parang, I don't like it anymore. So, meron dito nag-end na. But someone still wants to continue the connection. So, with the Magician, I love how the Magician showed up kasi nandito yung sinasabi nating parang yung sinasabi nating gusto kong magkaroon. No, I am still praying, wishing for this relationship to come to fruition. With the Justice, I feel like medyo, sabi natin, immature, no? Itong taong ito. You can switch the energies, no? It can be you're a little immature nung in the past. It could be your person, no? What I'm reading is the dynamic, ha? So, with the Justice, napapansin natin na ngayon, I want you to see how I improved, no, as a human. I want you to see my maturity. With the Queen of Swords, I feel like medyo madami kasing ginagawa dito, no? Nagkapatong-patong. It may be nagkapatong-patong yung sabihin nating responsibilities. Nagkapatong-patong yung sabihin nating things aren't coming into fruition because as of the moment, merong mga bagay talagang hindi natin inaasahan. It happened nung naging tayo. Then I cannot give the right amount of attention or time, no, sa relationship natin before, and that's probably the reason why someone felt someone is not serious dito sa relationship. Clarifying the Queen of Swords is the King of Pentacles and the High Priestess. Plus the fact parang someone cannot get out of becoming a mama's boy or a daddy's girl, no? Parang masinusunod pa yung parang you cannot make your own decision without consulting someone else's. Yung tanda mong yan. Parang yung gano'n. Yung tanda mong yan, wala ka pa bang sariling isip, no? Yung palaging nakikialam si mom, si dad niya, or ikaw, no, sa'yo. With the Chariot. So, what I am seeing with the Chariot is, so, umalis. No, pwedeng na nagkaroon na rin kayo dito ng cohabitation or living in together, no? So, the Chariot, umalis, Kumbaga, I don't like this kind of setup, no, para ako madaming karelasyon. Ikaw lang naman yung gusto ko. Siyempre, gusto ko ring magkaroon kami ng harmony. Pero parang dagdag relationship yung family members. With the King of Wands, parang gusto ng taong itong magkaroon ng conversation na let's settle this, no? Ayusin natin. Mas meron na ako kasing maturity or meron na akong kakayahan ngayon para panindigan itong relationship na ito with the Emperor and the Four of Cups. Pero parang sa isang banda, yung isa naman, kung kailan siya ready, yung isa naman, ayoko na. Or parang as of the moment, ayoko muna magkaroon ng relationship. Katulad ng sabi ko kanina, meron dito naglagay ng period or baka ayoko kung ikaw lang din naman. No, yung parang let me know. Meron akong ganyan mga nakikita sa wag na. Magiging single na lang ako sa mga comment section. Magiging single na lang ako kung siya lang din naman. Ayan. So with the page, gaano kaya kasakit yun, no? Yung ginawa kasi ayaw, parang may pagkamuhi. The Page of Cups. So, I feel like meron to mga memories, no, or pictures sa social medias na hindi pa rin binubura. So, para sa kanya, kayo pa rin naman, wala namang nagbago, yung separation lang. With the Page of Pentacles, meron yata itong binili or ibibigay sa'yo. Something that you like. It could be a bag. It could be what? Wow. Talaga ba? Well, kung kaya naman, bakit hindi? Baka may car na siya, no? Or baka yun yung ibibigay niya sa'yo. Sana all, no? Kung ganon. With the Knight of Wands, parang kukulitin at kukulitin ka nito. This person, para sa kanya is, walang ibang pwedeng magkaroon ka ng relationship kung di siya or hindi siya tumitingin sa iba, only you. I think that this person is just waiting for that right time, right moment to have a reconciliation again or para ipagpatuloy itong nasirang relationship ninyo. So that is your reading. Bago natin i-check yung zodiac sign, I want you to know na kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron po kayong mga questions, no, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. And take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Cancer, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Taurus. Cancer is dominant. Leo is dominant. Libra is here. Taurus is here. Virgo, and Gemini. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.